Guys, I know I normally say I'm not supposed to take multiple trades a day, but just for the sole purpose that the first trade I did was not a confirmed trade on my strategy, I went and took another trade today, and we're gonna show you the banger we did. So it ended up being the exact same trade we did, but it ended up happening a little later. But this time we actually had a confirmation. Let's go to it. I'm not gonna waste too much time talking about it. As you can see, this was the first trade we did. It already was like we didn't wait for a confirmation. That's why it didn't work. Then we ended up taking up the new formed highs again. And then we went up here. I'm just here watching. After just pondering, I lost 1,500. Okay, whoop de doo. Look at that. Came back down. Ooh, broke structure right here. Boom. Okay, what's left? Continuation. We've had our liquidity. We've been on liquidity since here, but then we got even more liquidity, and we went into this fair value gap just to help push us down. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Break of structure. Boom. Continuation. Look at that fair value gap right there, y'all. Perfect. Don't even mind this BS. That was from earlier on. I'm just gonna move it back here. Boom. Look at that. We shorted it off of this fair value gap. And look at that. TP1. We gotta draft it no more because it's already hit. TP1, boom. TP2, boom. And TP3 at the end of the fair value gap. Because obviously this one's already close to the beginning. So why not take it at the end? Boom. Chicken winning dinner. And by that, with that trade, we won about $5,000. Let's go check out the TradeZilla. Now the trade sale is looking even better. Even though we did lose a trade, we're winning on the day. We go into today. We took two trades. Remember, I told you we lost the first trade, but like you see, we made $5,900 off of it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying, y'all. Um, all I would say as far as the trade I did today is don't take multiple trading. Don't take multiple trades, but make sure the trade you take is a trade that you know is a textbook definition of your strategy. I'm supposed to have more money, but I lost it because I went and took a trade that I was not supposed to take. You know what I'm saying? So just a reminder one more time, bro. Remember what you're supposed to do. Remember to follow your strategy, to completely follow your strategy. Today, I'm not even gonna add the losses I made. I made 500, 5,000, $6,000. Damn. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie. That was a good bounce back. But obviously the first trade I took it because of psychology. I'm starting to get a little bit more impatient as far as waiting for the trade to come through. The trades they didn't come through till about 11 o'clock. I think I might need to start back testing a little bit just so I can get more of a hand of like, yeah, this is when I take my trades. This is when I'm supposed to, like, this is around the time. I think I need to have like a little bit of like analytics to kind of like let me know what time I normally take my trades and stuff like that. But it it is okay. You know what I'm saying, it is okay. But overall, I'm content. I'm happy that I was able to win. But you live, you learn, you move on to the next day, you move on to the next day. Like you see, if we're going back to TradeZilla, I normally never take um trade more than one trade, and when I take a trade, it's normally my A plus setup. So I would have been plus 5,900 today. God damn. When I finally start doing my evals, whoa, just watch out. Like, I'm really about to be snagging money from these things. Like, oh, give me that, give me gold. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, I'm still happy overall for the amount that I was able to get today. I need to copy this. What was that? I need to copy this value. God damn. Well, I'll do that all off stream, off video. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like I said earlier today, do your journaling, put your goals down, make sure you are fully prepared before you jump into live markets. Fix your psychology is very important, like very important. I won't lie to you. That's the one thing when I first started learning, I always was like, bro, what is this person talking about? But now that as somebody I can say I'm an experienced trader, bro, fix your psychology. Once you fix your psychology, everything is chicken from there. It's barbecue chicken from there.